Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good. This is not a paranormal vlog. आज के vlog सिर्फ इसलिए है that पैरानॉर्मल से हटके भी हम पैरानॉर्मल इन्वेस्टिगेटर्स लाइफ को एंजॉय करते हैं just like you guys. And right now तो आज मैं मसूरी में हूँ. Today we are in Mussoorie and exploring something new things. This is the famous mall road in the Mussoorie area, na? The cars are going up. This is the beautiful Mussoorie Mall Road. As you can see, the Mussoorie is only famous for its hills and the hill station. Founded by Britishers. Britishers ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा रूल करा है यहाँ पर, तो उनके ज़माने की भी काफ़ी चीज़ें सच लाइक एंटीक्स हैं एंड जो यहाँ पे होम्स होते हैं पहाड़ों पे वो बहुत अलग तरीके के हैं. अगर आप देखोगे एक्सप्लोर करोगे एरियाज को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से. लिसन दिस वॉइस. This is the famous mall road which I am walking through right now. होटल्स तो काफ़ी सारे बन गए हैं. दैट्स व्हाई द ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज कम होते जा रहे हैं. द पब्लिक एंड द टूरिस्ट प्लेस आर ग्रोइंग डे बाय डे बिकॉज द फेस्टिव सीजन इज गोइंग टू बी स्टार्ट सून. ऑलरेडी हैड स्टार्टेड. Tomorrow is Dashera, as you all know. This is the famous and the ancient cottage of Shanti Cottage, and it was founded in 1951. That's called the Turkish ice cream. The shops are well maintained. अभी मैं कैमल बैक रोड पर हूँ एंड अभी हम थोड़ी देर में जाएंगे कैमल बैक रोड की तरफ. सॉरी, आई वाज ऑन मॉल रोड राइट नाउ. एंड अभी हम जाएंगे थोड़ी देर में कैमल बैक रोड पर. वहाँ के भी आपको व्यू दिखाता हूँ मैं, कैसा व्यू आता है फ्रॉम द मसूरी. Look at the view of the Mussoorie. The hill station is only famous for its hills and the viewpoint. There are many destinations which you guys can reach out, such as Dalai Hills and the George Everest Peak. If you wanna come, then plan the trip according to your days and for how many days are you looking for the trip to Mussoorie. That's the hill view. Guys, look at the view. This is the beauty of Himalayas and the hill station. This is one of the most famous road of the Mussoorie called Camel Back Road, situated beside outskirts of the Mussoorie. जब आप यहाँ रीच करेंगे तो आप लोकल से भी पूछ सकते हैं इस रोड के बारे में. Check this out. Right now it's evening time, that's why mountains are not clear visibility of mountains are right now low because the clouds are coming up. Here we are exploring the local markets of the Mussoorie. The temperature is really cold in the night. It goes up to 11 or 10 degrees Celsius at night time, and right now is also approx 18 or 17 degree, and winters are coming. That's why maybe the temperature will drop approx 1 degree or 2 degree in the January or December when snowfall occurs in hilly areas, Mussoorie and Dhanolti also, the nearby places. that's the way. We are moving towards the Picture Palace area for our dinner at the night. One of the most oldest building in Mussoorie, built in 1920, the Exchange Building. The building was built in 1920s by the Britishers and the Britishers colonials who used to live in Mussoorie at that time. Now he's turned into a famous market. There are many restaurants and hotels which you guys can check out for your dinner and for the many purposes also. This is the main area and the center spot of the Mussoorie. Guys, check out the view. See this. I'm recording with my phone, that's why the quality of the camera is not good as compared to other videos of mine. Check this out. Guys, look at the white line, winter line. As you guys can see, it seems like that sky is blooming right now, and this is the sunset of the hill, Mussoorie Hill. And here we go. This is the entire Mussoorie city, hill station. Look at the view. And check this out, a winter line. That's called winter line. It is only visible from Mussoorie only. Otherwise, you can see this winter line in Australia only. Guys, the night is about to come and I'm leaving for Dehradun towards my house. The temperature is dropping currently and it approx 18 degrees Celsius right now. That's why we are a jacket. कभी आप लोग सोचो कि इसने जैकेट क्यों पहन रखी है. Stay connected with me on my channel and do like, share, subscribe.